Hello everyone, here I am Pooja Sharma from Arya College of Engineering and IT, Jaipur. Today's my topic types and configuration of HVDC. First we will discuss about HVDC introduction. The HVDC technology is used to transmit electricity over long distance by overhead transmission line or submarine cables. This is a best figure of HVDC principle. Here we will discuss about how does HVDC transmission system work. In generating substation, AC power is generated which can be converted into DC by using a rectifier. In HVDC substation or converter, substation rectifiers and inverters are placed at both ends of the line. The rectifier terminal changes the AC to DC and inverter terminals convert DC to AC. The DC is flowing with the overhead line and at the user end. Again the DC is converted into AC by using inverter which are placed in converter station. The power remains the same at sending and receiving end of the line. The DC is transmitted over long distance because it decreases the losses and improves the efficiency. A system having the more than two converter station and one transmission line is called two-terminal DC system or point-to-point system. Similarly, if the substation has more than two converter station and interconnecting DC terminals line is called multi-terminal DC substation. This is a configuration of HVDC transmission system. First one is converter, smoothing reactor, harmonic filter, reactive power supply, electrode, DC line, AC circuit breaker. This is a systematic diagram of component of HVDC system. Here we will briefly describe about this point. Converter, they perform AC to DC and DC to AC conversion. They consist of valve, bridge and transformer. Valve bridge consist of high voltage valve connected in 6 pulse or 12 pulse arrangement. The transformer are underground such that the DC system will be able to stabilize its own reference to ground. Smoothing reactor, they are high reactor with inductance as high as 1H in series with each pole. They serve the following: they decrease the harmonics in voltage and current in DC line. They prevent communication failure in the inverter, prevent current from being discontinued for light load. Harmonic filter, the converter generates the harmonic in voltage and current. This harmonic may causes the overheating of capacitor nearby generator and interference with telecommunication system. Harmonic filter are used to mitigate these harmonics. Reactive power and supply. Under steady state condition, the reactive power consumed by converter is about 50% of active power transferred. Under transient condition, it could be much higher reactive power, therefore provided near the converter. For a long AC transmission, this reactive power is provided by shunt capacitor. Electrode. Electrodes are the conductor that provide connection to earth for neutral. They have large surface to minimize current densities and surface voltage gradient. DC line, they may be overhead to line or cable. DC line are very similar to AC line. AC circuit breaker, they used to clear the fault in transformer or for taking the DC link out of service. They are not used for clearing the DC fault. DC fault are cleared by converter control more rapidly. HVDC configuration. HVDC link can be broadly classified into monopolar link, bipolar link, homopolar link and multi-terminal link. Monopolar link, it uses one conductor. The return path is provided by ground or water. Use of this system is mainly due to cost consideration. A metallic return may be used where the earth resistivity is too high. This configuration type is first step toward a bipolar link. This is a basic diagram of monopolar links. Bipolar link. Each terminal has two converters of equal rated voltage connected in series or DC side. The junction between the converters is grounded. If one pole is isolated due to fault, the other pole can operate with the ground and carry half the rated load. Homopolar link. It has two more conductors, all having the same polarity, usually negative. Since the corona effect and transmission line is less for negative polarity, homopolar link is usually operated with negative polarity. The return path for such a system is through ground. Application of HVDC transmission system. This is a figure for HVDC transmission. HVDC is unique solution to interconnect the asynchronous system or grid with difference frequency. This is a basic HVDC transmission back to back. In this configuration, the two converter stations are located at same time and no transmission line or the cable is required between the converter bridge. This connection may be monopolar or bipolar. The link voltage is regulated by controlling the power flow to the AC grid. This system having fast control of power flow. This application is used up to 600 megawatt. This is an application based HVDC transmission type for point to point overhead line. This configuration is called point to point because when the converters are located in different regions and need to be connected with transmission line to transmit power from one converter side to another. In that case, one converter acts as rectifier which provide the power flow and another one acts as an inverter which receive power. This is a basic representation for power up to 300 megawatt. HVDC represent the most economical solution to transmit electrical energy over distance greater than approximate 600 kilometer. This is a application based HVDC transmission type point to point for underground cable. The process is similarly as overhead cable. Disadvantage of HVDC transmission. The disadvantage of HVDC are in conversion, switching and control, expensive inverters with limited overhead capacity, higher losses in static inverters at smaller transmission distance. The cost of inverter may not be offset by reduction in the line construction cost and power line loss. High voltage DC circuit breaker are difficult to build because some mechanism must be included in the circuit breaker to force current to zero, otherwise arcing and contact wear would be too great to allow reliable switching. HVDC is less reliable and has lower availability than AC system, mainly due to the extra conversion equipment. Thank you.